Hey guys, so I welcome you again in this channel. This is Saloni and I'm from Bihar, and now I am going to tell you something. Just like every day, as you know, every day I am trying to speak English and I am trying to improve my speaking skills. So before one day I haven't made any videos, so I thought today I will upload one videos. So just I turn on the camera and after sitting on this chair, I started speaking. So this time around 12 o'clock, and after completing all the works, I thought I will come in front of camera and I will speak anything. So as you know, I am a learner, so I don't have enough words. So every day I try to speak anything. So whatever comes in my mind, only try to speak in front of camera. So this time I'm sitting on the chair and I'm going to tell you how can we describe about anything. Just like behind it, as you can see, there are many objects related to a study, as you can see. So today I'm going to describe about all things. Just like as you can see behind me, there is one notebooks as well as many pens, pencils, colors, and these all are of my children's. And as you can describe about anything, just like this is a object, right? This is a pen. So you can take one pen and you can describe about this pen. This is a pen and this pen we can use easily through the market, and without pen I can say nobody is living in this world. First of all, I use pencil. After that, many people they have started using with the help of pen. It can help you everywhere, just like in teaching line. And if you are a teacher, then you can know easily what is the value of this pen. And if you are a student, then you can definitely think what is the value of this pen. And after 3 to 4 classes, many students they will use pen. And this pen color is green and pencil colors, so as well as blue and green color mix. So in this way we can describe about any object. This is a pen, and this cost around 5 to 10 rupees, and every day we use pen. Even I use pen every day, because when I teach my both children's, that time I also use pen. And what do you think, if I have got married, so I am not using in this pen, I am also using this pen because I am learning English, and without pen how can I make notes on my notebooks. So in these types of method I am using in these days. So you don't need to think about how can I describe about any object in English. So these types of thinking come in my mind, and I start speaking. So if you are a learner like me, then you can also think in English what you can see right now. Just like I told you about this pen, as you can told about one notebooks. Just like notebooks cost is around 35 to 40 rupees in lately, and earlier it was cost 10 years ago it cost was only 15 rupees and 20 rupees. But in these days, and copies costly is increasing so high. And I also use copy and notebook every day. And when I forget to related education, just like knowledge, then that time I also use notebooks. I try to write word meaning in the notebook, and I have many notebooks. and every day I have to read, I have to open the notebook and I flip the chapter, flip the paper every day and try to remember that word meaning which I have noted in my notebook. So this is a good way to learn English, I think, and in this way I'm trying to improve, as you can see, and I'm trying to get too much confidence. So if you are a learner like me, then come with me and start speaking onwards today. Don't wait for that moment, that day it will come one day suddenly. No, it will never come, I think. I was also saying earlier, what will people think about me? Then who will judge about you? Let them judge. Let them think about you, huh? Because we are a beginner and we are trying to speak English, then I don't think so it will be need to think about that person who is every day trying to speak, trying to interrupt in your life. So let them ignore and start speaking onwards today. So if you liked my videos, then please subscribe this channel, and so that I can also get too much motivate. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.